Have you ever held a tiny seed in your hand and just marveled at the life it holds? Well, today, we're going to explore how that exact same potential for growth exists in a really simple, beautiful business idea. So let's plant the seed of an idea together.
What if you could bottle that quiet joy of watching something grow and then share it with other people? See, this isn't really just about selling plants, it's about selling a moment of peace, a little touch of nature, and that amazing satisfaction of creating life. And believe me, it might be a much more powerful business idea than you think.
It always starts with something small, right? A single seed. But inside it is the entire blueprint for a thriving business. So let's unpack this opportunity that's just waiting to sprout.
Okay, so this slide shows us something really crucial. On one side, you've got this universal love for plants, for home decor, for relaxation, or as a really thoughtful gift. But on the other side, there's this big wall of uncertainty for beginners. They're confused, they're overwhelmed, and that gap, that's not a problem, that is your marketplace.
So let's be super clear about this. You're not just selling some soil and seeds. You are selling confidence. You're selling that incredible feeling of success when that very first little sprout appears. It's a complete, totally stress-free experience, all beautifully packed into a single box.
And who are you selling this amazing experience to? Well, the market is huge. Think of the person who's always wanted a plant but is absolutely convinced they'll kill it. Or the office worker who's dreaming of a little green on their desk. Or that friend searching for a gift that's unique and, full of life. You're reaching all of them.
Okay, so we understand the why. Now let's dig into the what. How do we actually craft the perfect kit that delivers on that promise of a totally stress-free experience?
So what is a DIY indoor plant kit exactly? Well, you can think of it as the perfect antidote to beginner confusion. It's an all-in-one package. You've got the pot, the soil, the seeds, and simple, foolproof instructions. You're basically removing every single barrier, every excuse, and you're just delivering pure, simple success.
And for your customer, the journey should feel this effortless. Open, follow, grow. That's it. That's the mantra. By simplifying the whole process down to just these 3 steps, you're not just selling a product, you're selling peace of mind.
Now let's look a little closer at what's inside. Every single item in here is chosen for success. A stylish little pot that's going to fit any decor. Seeds for plants that are famously forgiving. Perfectly measured soil so there's no waste and no guesswork. And maybe the most important piece, instructions so clear they inspire confidence from the moment you read them.
This right here, this is the heart of the entire business model. Your mission, your whole goal is to make sure your customer succeeds with their very first plant. That little moment of pride, that feeling of, wow, I did it, that's what creates a loyal customer who will absolutely come back for more.
So how do you guarantee that first win? Well, you start with the right players. Herbs like basil and mint, they're perfect. They grow quickly and you can actually use them. Succulents offer that modern, stylish look with almost no effort. And for a dose of that near-instant gratification, microgreens show visible progress in just a few days. It's so satisfying.
Okay, so now we have a great product, but how do we make it feel truly special? This is about more than just a box. This is really about packaging your passion. Remember that huge market of gift givers we talked about? This is how you win them over. A gift is an emotion, right? And your packaging is the very first impression. It needs to communicate care, thoughtfulness, and quality before the box is even opened. So, what makes packaging unforgettable? It all starts with a clean, beautiful design. Inside, everything is just nestled perfectly in its place. Your branding is subtle but professional. The instruction card isn't just a manual, it's a beautiful piece of print. And please, never underestimate the power of a small personal touch. A little handwritten thank you note can turn a one-time customer into a lifelong fan. It all comes down to the unboxing. That single moment should feel like a little bit of magic. It should feel premium, thoughtful, and exciting. That experience is what elevates your kit from just a product to a premium gift, and it's what justifies a higher price. You've created a beautiful product. Now, it's time to share its story with the world. So, let's have a look at how to do that online. The best part about this business is how incredibly visual it is, which, makes it a perfect fit for social media. Think about those satisfying unboxing videos or mesmerizing time lapses of a plant's journey from a tiny seed to a sprout. And content that connects not just on a practical level, but an emotional one, transforming a space one little plant at a time.
This is the golden rule of your marketing. Show, don't just tell. Let your visuals do all the talking. A short video of the simple planting process is so much more convincing than a long paragraph of text. Seeing is believing, and in this business, seeing is absolutely selling.
Okay, you've mastered the single kit. The orders are coming in. But how do you turn this passion project into a truly sustainable business? Well, it's time to think about scaling up.
Once your core product is a hit, you can start to have some fun. Themed kits are a fantastic way to expand. A pizza garden kit for foodies, maybe a stress relief kit with some calming succulents for the wellness crowd. Each new theme opens up a whole new audience and creates these amazing targeted gift opportunities.
Now this is where things get really interesting. We can move from just single sales to a truly powerful business model, subscriptions. So instead of just hoping a customer comes back, you offer them a new journey, a new plant every single month. This builds predictable income, it fosters incredible loyalty, and it turns a simple shop into a stable, growing business. We've covered the idea, the product, and the growth. So now for just a final gentle thought on how to approach this journey.
You know, maybe the most beautiful thing about this idea is how humble it is. You don't need a big warehouse or a huge loan. This dream can start right from your kitchen table or a spare corner of your apartment. It begins not with a big investment, but with care, attention, and a little bit of heart.
And so, we'll end with this thought. Just like the seeds you'll be planting, your business is going to grow in its own time. Nurture it, be patient with its progress, and just trust the journey. What is meant for you will bloom when the time is right.